Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 30th September 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note near 24,730 and witnessed a quick pullback in the first hour. However, the momentum soon fizzled out as bears took charge, triggering profit booking and reinforcing the prevailing sell-on bounce setup through the day. Now, Nifty even breached Friday's low and slipped towards 24,600. The index has been forming a lower top, lower bottom formation from the last 8 trading sessions and clearly underscoring the dominance of bears and highlighting a weakening near-term structure. India VIX was down by 0.5% to 11.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.71. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,100 to 25,100 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,400 to 24,900 zones. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,805 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,690 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 16%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 24,750, weakness could be seen towards 24,442 zones, while hurdles have shifted lower to 24,900 levels. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 54,650, weakness could be seen towards 54,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in HPCL, BPCL, AB Capital, Fortis, Hindustan Zinc, NHPC and Indian Bank. While some weakness could be seen in Dixon Technologies, Solar Industries, Persistent Systems, Dr. Reddy, Nestle and Mankind Pharma. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.